Yes, be ready. Start. Writ petition number 76 of 2016 was filed for declaring right to sexuality, right to sexual autonomy, and right to choice of a sexual partner to be part of the right to life guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution of India and further to declare Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code to be unconstitutional full stop. When the said writ petition was listed before a three-judge bench on 8/1/2018, the court referred to a two-judge bench decision rendered in Suresh Kaushal, wherein this court had overturned the decision rendered by the division bench of the Delhi High Court in Naj Foundation full stop. It was submitted by Mr. Arvind Datar, learned senior counsel, appearing for the writ petitioners on the said occasion that the two-judge bench in Suresh Kaushal had been guided by social morality leaning on majoritarian perception, whereas the issue in actuality needed to be debated upon in the backdrop of constitutional morality. Full stop. Next stanza. A contention was also advanced that the interpretation placed in Suresh Kaushal upon Article 21 of the Constitution is extremely narrow, and in fact, the court has been basically guided by Article 14 of the Constitution. Full stop. Reliance was placed on the pronouncement in Nalsa case, wherein this court had emphasized on gender identity and sexual orientation. Full stop. Attention of this court was also invited to a 9-judge bench decision in K.S. Swamy and another versus Union of India and others, wherein the majority speaking through Chandrachud J has opined that sexual orientation is an essential component of rights guaranteed under the Constitution, which are not formulated on majoritarian favor or acceptance. Full stop. Kaul J, in his concurring opinion, referred to the decision in Mosley versus News Group Newspapers Limited to highlight that the emphasis for individuals' freedom to conduct his sex life and personal relationships as he wishes, subject to the permitted exceptions, countervails public interest. Full stop. The further submission that was advanced by Mr. Dattar was that privacy of the individual having been put on such a high pedestal and sexual orientation having been emphasized in the Nalsa case, Section 377 IPC cannot be construed as a reasonable restriction, as that would have the potentiality to destroy the individual autonomy and sexual orientation. Full stop. It is an accepted principle of interpretation that a provision does not become unconstitutional merely because of abuse. Full stop. Next stanza. Appreciating the said submissions, the three-judge bench stated that certain other aspects need to be noted. Full stop. Section 377 IPC uses the phraseology carnal intercourse against the order of nature. Full stop. The determination of order of nature is not a constant phenomena. Full stop. Social molarity also changes from age to age. Full stop. The law copies with life and accordingly change takes place. Full stop. The molarity that public perceives the Constitution may not conceive of full stop. The individual autonomy and also individual orientation cannot be changed unless the restriction is regarded as reasonable to yield to the molarity of the Constitution. Full stop. What is natural to one may not be natural to the other, but the said natural orientation and choice cannot be allowed to cross the boundaries of law, and as the confines of law cannot temper or curtail the inherent right embedded in an individual under Article 21 of the Constitution. Full stop. A section of people or individuals who exercise their choice should never remain in a state of fear. Full stop. When we say so, we may not be understood to have stated that there should not be fear of law because fear of law builds civilized society. Full stop. But that law must have the acceptability of the constitutional parameters. Full stop. Next stanza, that is the litmus test. Full stop. It is necessary to note in the course of hearing on a query being made, and Mr. Dattar very fairly stated that he does not intend to challenge that part of section 377 which relates to carnal intercourse with animals, and that apart he confines to consisting acts between two adults. Full stop. As far as the first aspect is concerned, that is absolutely beyond debate. Full stop. As far as the second aspect is concerned, that needs to be debated. Full stop. The consent between two adults has to be the primary precondition. Full stop. Other the children would become prey, and protection of the children in all spheres has to be guarded and protected. Full stop. Taking all the aspects in a cumulative manner, we are of the view the decision in Suresh Kumar Kaushal's case require reconsideration. Full stop. The three-judge bench expressed the opinion that the issues raised should be answered by a larger bench and accordingly referred the matter to the larger bench. Full stop. Over.